Sir, now the next pyramid pattern with alphabet symbols in reverse order. Sir, what it means? Observe carefully. If I can take n is equal to 4, I am taking n is equal to 4. Can you please tell first 4 alphabet symbols? A, B, C, D. In reverse order means D, C, B, A. Okay. Now what is my expected pattern is, if n is equal to 4, number of rows is equal to 4, now my pattern is D, D sir. Next D followed by C, D, C. Next D, C, B sir, D, C, B. Next D, C, B, A. Okay, this is the pattern what I am expecting. So now how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. Now observe carefully. N is equal to int of input of enter number of rows for I in range of n. For I in range of n. If n is equal to 4, can you please confirm how many row, what are various possible values of I? If n is equal to 4, range of 4 means the possible values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like now take very special care. Sir, this is sir I number of rows. I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3 sir. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, in every row, sir, if you observe, spaces are there. In every row, spaces are there, sir. Okay. In the first row, how many spaces are there? 3 spaces followed by 1 symbol. Next, 2 spaces followed by 2 symbols in the next row. Sir, only 1 space followed by 3 symbols, right? So, first for every row, I have to print spaces. Now my question is number of spaces in every row. Number of spaces in every row. In every row is I covered already. If you want, you can cross check. N minus I minus 1. In the pyramid, how many spaces will be there before printing? N minus I minus 1 number of spaces. First, let me print these spaces first. Sir, print of space. How many times I have to print, sir? N minus I minus 1 number of times. Sir, after printing spaces, don't go to the next line. In the same line, I have to print elements also. That's why end is equal to empty. I'm taking empty. That's all. Here just single quotes open and close. That's all. Even no space also. Okay, like next, after printing spaces, now we have to take symbols, multiple symbols. Sir, how many symbols we are taking? Sir, how many symbols we have to take? Observe, number of symbols in every row or in each row. Number of symbols in every row. Okay. If I is equal to 0, 1 symbol. If I is equal to 1, 2 symbols. If I is equal to 2, 3 symbols, right? So how many symbols, sir? I plus 1 symbol. I plus 1 symbols. I plus 1 number of symbols we have to take, sir. Okay. Like next, these symbols are fixed or keep on changing? Yes, changing, sir. D, C, B, A symbol. Within the row, it is not fixed symbol. Keep on changing. Within the row, if you keep on changing, compulsory you have to go for nested loop. Okay, nested loop, right? Okay, now how many symbols you require to generate? I plus 1 number of symbols. Now do you know, for j in range of I plus 1, for j in range of I plus 1, generate. So repeat this loop for I plus 1 number of time. Every time 1 symbol will be generated, I plus 1 number of symbols will be generated. Sir, now which symbol we have to generate? Very important, sir. Here j value is the 0. Here 0, 1. Here 0, 1, 2. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this, right? Now which symbols, right? Do you know, for every alphabet symbol Unicode value is there? A 65, B 66, C 67, D 68. Okay, well, now take very special care. First D, sir. Oh, first D. Next D, C. So, if you observe that, how you can generate D? Is there any relation between J and N? Okay, which symbol we have to generate? Observe, which symbol we have to generate? So, whenever J is equal to 0, I have to generate 68. I have to generate 68. If J is equal to 1 means I have to generate 67. If J is equal to 2 means B means 66. J is equal to 3 means 65. Can I use the word? Can you please observe? 64 plus N. 64 plus N minus J, sir. Can you please observe? 64 plus N minus J. Is it going to satisfy? 64 plus 4, 68 minus 0 means 68. D satisfied. Sir, 1 means C. 64 plus 4, 68 minus 1, 67 means C. Yeah. This is the symbol. Generate these many times and before that these many spaces. Like now observe, for J in range of I plus 1, print which element I have to print, sir? CHR of 64 plus N minus J. 64 plus N minus J. After printing the symbol, space must be required. Like this, right? Okay? To print spaces, to print symbols. After printing every row, this is the code responsible to generate one row. After that, a blank line to generate next row in the next line, print. Repeat this process again, like happily our required pattern by default we are going to get. Have a look once. Let me write the code here for I in range of N. Sir, now first I have to print spaces. Sir, here space into N minus I minus 1 number of times, comma N is equal to empty. Don't go to the next line. That's why like. Sir, now remaining symbols. For J in range of I plus 1. For J in range of I plus 1. Print off. Sir, can you please tell which symbol I have to print, sir? CHR 64 plus N minus J. This symbol I have to print. N is equal to spaces, sir. Okay? After printing all row, compulsory we have to take sir blank line so that the next thing will be printed in the next line. Okay? Now, have a look once. Enter number of rows. 4, sir. D, DC, DCB, DCBA. Now let me go for enter number of rows. Sir, 7 I'm taking, sir. G, GF, GFE, GFED like this, right? Now enter number of rows. 26 I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? First Z, next ZY, ZYX like this. It is keep on Z to A, it will come, sir. Okay? That's all. These are various examples related to pyramid pattern. Pyramid with the star symbol, pyramid with the digits, normal order, ascending order, descending order. Next alphabet symbols, ascending order, descending order. Now the terminology is very clear. Any doubt?